like, talk like, looking like a lick. Ain't a last nigga try, find out really what the shit saying. All black F and tucked behind the buckle.
Hey, what's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? Your boy LB back with another one of them things, man. One time for the one time. You know what it is up over here, eh? Check it out, man. Shout out to my subscriber Los, man. Just put me on to this, bruh. So we got baby Jayy out the rain, and I heard this his first song, first video ever. I mean, maybe his first video. I don't know, man. I don't know. I ain't never heard of bruh. Can't tell y'all much about bruh. Like a lot of these motherfuckers, I do reactions too. But also, like a lot of motherfuckers, I do reactions too. We go get into this, bruh. So, come on. Are y'all fucking serious, bruh? Are you fucking serious? Are you, bruh? Come on, man. Who the fuck co-signs these niggas, bruh? Who co-signs this bullshit, man? Huh? Who co-signs this bullshit? This nigga sound like Elmo just sat down and got a ghostwriting verse from Lil Yachty, bruh. Lil Yachty just ghost wrote a verse for Elmo, kid. That's what the fuck this is. That my spaghetti, man. Run up on you and get tickled, nigga. Get smoked. Run up on your ass and get tickled. Tickle me, I'm ass nigga.
My diamonds ain't dropping the temperature, bitch. I ain't one of the finest. I cannot deny it. I got these hoes started like sinus. Yes, I got the heart of a lion. Fuck with me, you dying. My life, I'm still getting used to. I got this shit too soon. I remember eating Roman noodles. I remember I was rocking football, but niggas want to say your shit because one of them pull up and shoot. You think you better than who? I am my head of the crew. I thought you knew. I am a beast, I'm a lion. You think I'm fresh about the zoo? Spent about 200,000 on my wrist and my diamonds wetter than a pool. Niggas be fool, but let that boy play with my money. This time blow him like a flu. Rah, rah. I made it out of the rain. I swear we are not the same. I paid million in my.
You know what, bruh? I don't even second guess you. We are not the same. I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm not gonna debate. I ain't gonna go back and forth, bro. We ain't the same. We ain't the same, bruh. I can't take that shit no more. I can't. Garbage as shit. That little part when he was spazzing out, that was the best part of this song, bro. When he was that was the best part. But even that shit was mediocre, bro. Who co-signs this shit? Look, fuck who co-signed this shit. Fuck who produced this shit. Fuck who mixed this shit. And fuck who support this shit. I said it. LB for What's the Deal 200.
Walk like, talk like, looking like a lick. Ain't a last nigga try, find out really what the shit saying. All black F and tucked behind a buckle.